This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Kenneth Yates. Welcome home. This extremely well-maintained Vernon Hill model with an open floor plan boasts gleaming hardwood floors, 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths and an office. The kitchen features stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, a computer desk and island bar seating. A spacious master bedroom with tray ceiling has an ensuite bath with dual vanities, glass enclosed shower, garden tub and walk-in closet. Additional features include an Acorn stairlift, an extended patio, extensive landscaping. The private extended patio overlooks shade trees for quiet enjoyment. Enjoy resort-style amenities in this 55-plus Webb golf community, close to shopping, groceries and restaurants. Seller is also willing to sell home.